smartwatch cause I'm active. Most of these donnies, they're just catfish. Can't keep up, they're match fit. Score 3 times, that's a hat trick. Yo, what's good? Welcome back to Turk's kitchen. Turk's new kitchen, should I say. I've moved house, hence why I haven't done a video in a while. But I'm back, and I'm back with a nice one today. Obviously we had the hummus last time, the Turkish dip, the meze dip. I'm going to finish the dips off with Cacik, which is Tzatziki. You guys know it as Tzatziki. Yeah, very simple, very easy, tasty, quick. So it's going to be a quick one. So without further ado, without smashing my stuff, let's get into it. Whoop. The ingredients you're going to be needing to making Cacik or Tzatziki is 1 whole cucumber, natural Greek yogurt, depends what one, I've got the 5% fat one, sea salt, olive oil, dry mint and garlic granules. Fresh garlic is preferred, but I haven't got no garlic, so I'm going to be using garlic granules. So yeah, without further ado, let's go! Right, first thing we're going to do is dice up our cucumber. So we'll keep that end on actually, and I'll show you a good way how to cut a cucumber really. We'll dice a cucumber. Cut a bit more of that in. Right, so what we're going to do first is peel your cucumber as thinly as we can, not the best with a knife. Right, we're going to give it a go. Whoa, taking big chunks out of it. Hold tight, you don't want to be doing this. Let's even that side up, shall we? So right, we're going to be eating the end anyway. So once you've peeled your cucumber, I'm hoping you peel it better than that. Look at that chunk. What we're going to do is hold the cucumber like this, and with the knife we're just going to spin it and cut into it like that, and then we're going to cut it. So let's just get a bowl, 1 second. And then yeah, just gonna carry on doing that. Let you have a look a few times before I fast forward it. So when you cut it, they come out really thin, nice and diced. So I'm going to turn into Superman now and go like really fast and catch you when I'm done. Sweet!
You can do it with a cheese grater, but I find with a cheese grater, all the juice comes out of the cucumber. And then when you make your yogurt, I suppose, no, it isn't as juicy, I suppose. I always find it's better to do it like this.
Get it all nice and even cuts, and then when you get down to the last little bit, you know what you're going to do with this bit, don't you? Like that.
Eat that bad boy.
Quickly wash my hand.
Try that as we go. Now that makes sense. Right. Comes in the bin. Big flash push. Now once we have that cut up, I'm trying to use, oh shit.
Right, so once your cucumber's cut up, we're going to get a bowl or a saucepan, if you haven't got a big enough bowl like me. And we're going to put all of our cucumber into the bowl.
Splash, saucepan. Oh, get in there, mate, like swimwear. On it like a sub, on it, right.
Now we've done that, we want our natural Greek style yoghurt. And give it a little shake. And then we want to get a teaspoon. And a teaspoon. And then we're going to be adding, to start off with, 2 big heaped teaspoons. Give it a little mix. And depends what yogurt you got. I like mine quite thick. If you got a thicker yogurt and you don't like it as thick, you can always add a little bit of water to it. So we're going to do 1, 2 big heaped ones, yeah? To start off with. And then we're going to get a teaspoon. This is a teaspoon. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of mint. Sorry, it's a new one. So 2 of these bad boys. 1, 2. Now with the garlic, I usually add 2 garlic cloves because I like it a bit garlicky. So I'm not too sure with the garlic granules. So we're just gonna go taste as we go. So I'm gonna do, how many do you reckon? 2? I'm gonna do 2 of these. 1, 2, 2.
Lovely, lovely.
And then the last 2 ingredients is a bit of salt. Just a sprinkle of salt, give it some flavour. Like so. And then with our olive oil, we're going to put a dash of olive oil. Just a dash, not too much, just a dash, a drizzle. So, that'll be plenty. That wasn't a drizzle, that was a complete and utter shambles. But it'll be alright. Trust, have faith. And all we're going to do is just mix all these bad boys together now. Again, we might need some more yoghurt. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're going to do some more yoghurt. I'm going to do 1 more heaped spoon of yoghurt. And that, guys, is literally how you make tzatziki or cacik. Just get a little nice little plate to dish it up on. Oh yeah. And now we're just going to put just a little drizzle on this, just for the finishing purposes. There we go, guys. That is the quickest Turkish dip you'll ever make in your life. Have a little pan round on that. And there we go, guys. Tzatziki, fresh, homemade in Turk's, the one and only Turk's Kitchen. The only thing left to do, you already know, we need to try that bad boy, don't we? Oh yes, oh yes. Wouldn't do nothing to that, that is perfect. So guys, if you haven't got 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of garlic granules, just as good. But guys, if you like the video and you want to see more on Turk's Kitchen and on this channel, then please drop a like, drop a comment in the comment sections below. Hit that subscribe button. Check out my newest video. And until the next one, peace!